My daughter was coughing nonstop, morning, night, all day. I tried every syrup the doctor prescribed, but nothing worked. Then one simple kitchen remedy changed everything, and I had to share it with you. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you love motherhood stories, lifestyle, beauty, and faith filled content, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss videos like this. Family, I need to tell you something personal today. My daughter's cough had been going on for days, the kind that wakes her up at night, the kind that makes her cry, the kind that breaks your heart as a parent. I tried everything: hospital visits, different cough syrups, steam therapy. Nothing helped. I even stayed up at night listening to her cough, feeling so completely helpless. It's a feeling I wouldn't wish on anyone. Every morning, I would check on her and see her struggle to breathe comfortably. The tears in her eyes, the discomfort in her chest. I felt so frustrated and desperate at the same time. If you're a parent watching this, you know that pain, feeling like there's nothing you can do. I was ready to try anything. Then one evening, a wise older woman told me, try onion, garlic, and sugar. It works naturally. And then I paused. I hesitated. Onion, garlic, could something so simple really help? But guys, I was desperate. And sometimes the simplest things are the most powerful. So I went ahead to prepare it. I want you to really picture this because this is where the magic happens. First off, I peeled the back of my onion and garlic. I used one medium red onion and I sliced it into thin layers. I crushed 2 cloves of garlic until fragrant, and I grabbed a clean jar and started layering a layer of onion, then a layer of garlic, then sprinkle sugar, then more sugar. I continued layering, alternating onion, garlic, and sugar until I had used all my ingredients. It looked like a mini rainbow of natural goodness in the jar. And then I covered it and left it for 3 to 6 hours. But I decided to leave it overnight so that it can soak up all the natural juices from the onion and garlic. It is so simple, natural, and surprisingly effective. And honestly, you guys, the smell in the kitchen alone, oh my goodness, so comforting. The first teaspoon I gave her that night, she coughed less. By the next day, the improvement was visible. She could sleep peacefully again. It wasn't an instant miracle, but it worked gently, it worked naturally and consistently. Seeing her finally rest without coughing was so priceless. I couldn't stop smiling, tears of relief rolling down my cheeks. Here's why it works so well, guys. Red onion loses mucus, it reduces chest congestion, while garlic fights bacteria and viruses naturally. Sugar suits the truth and it's easier to take. You can as well replace your sugar with honey. If you prefer using honey, you can use honey, but I decided to use sugar. Now, for the dosage, adults can take 1 tablespoon for 2 to 3 times daily, while kids above 1 year can take 1 teaspoon 1 to 2 times daily. This is not for babies under 1 year. Please take notes. It is gentle, effective, and completely natural. So, if your little one has been struggling with a stubborn cough, this might just be your lifesaver. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. If you love the story and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with other parents who need a little hope. Thank you for spending these moments with me. Sending love and prayers to all the parents out there. Love you all. Bye.